my dear student. Today I am going to teach you thin lens formula. Thin lens formula is the relationship amongst focal length, object distance and image distance. Why it is thin lens? Because thickness of the lens is not taken into consideration. Here I have written f 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is called as thin lens formula, and this is the relationship between f, v and u. F is the focal length, v is the distance of image from lens, and u is the distance of object from the lens. So how to prove it? We are going to prove it. So this is the ray diagram. This is the one situation. This formula is valid for any figure, any situation of the ray diagram. So I have taken the ray diagram of the object placed between f and 2f, whose image is formed beyond 2f here. A1, B1, AB is object and A1, B1 is image. So this distance of this object, this is object as it is object. So this distance is taken as u and this is image. So the distance of this image from the lens is taken as v, this one, and here it is the focal length f. This is the distance which is focal length. Now I am going to take a triangle. From this triangle ABO and triangle A1 B1 O, these are similar. These two triangles, you can see here, triangle number 1, we are taking here triangle 1, and this triangle bigger one is triangle number 2. So these two triangles are similar, and when the triangles are similar, then according to geometry we know that their sides will be proportionate. So we can write here sides AB, perpendicular of first triangle divided by perpendicular of second triangle. That should be equal to OA, this distance, divided by OA1. This is equation number 1. Similarly, we can see triangle OPF2 and triangle F2 A1B1. You can see here this triangle here, OPF2, this one, and F2 A1B1, this one. These two are similar again by angle property. You can see these two angles will be same. Here in this case also same for these two. For these two triangles, this angle will be same. It is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. So naturally, third angle will be the same. So by the property angle, both the triangles are again similar by angle property. So each sides will be also same in the proportionate. So OP by A1 B1 is equal to, we can write OF2 by F2 A1. But we can see here OP is equal to AB here. OP is equal to AB. So we can write AB by A1 B1 is equal to OF2 by F2 A1. This is equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can say, from equation 1 and 2 we can write that OA by OA1 is equal to OF2 by F2A1. This is equation number 3. Now OA, this is given U, and OA1 it is given V, but OF2 it is given F, focal length. It is also equal to focal length. This is also equal to F. We can write here F. So this is given, this is given, this is given, but F2A, F2A1 is not given. So we are going to here calculate F2A, A1. F2A1 can be written like OA1 minus OF2. OA1 minus OA1 minus OF2, and OA1 is given here. OA1 is V and OF2 is F, V minus F. So substituting here, OA is equal to U and OA1 is equal to V is equal to OF2 here F, and this is V minus F. Now we have to use sign, as we know that distance should be measured from the optical center, and optical center is O, and distance measured in the direction of light ray, incident light ray. Incident ray is directed along this direction. So if we are measuring from O in this direction, it will be positive, and from O in this direction it will be negative. So naturally U will be here negative. U will be negative and V will be positive. This V will be positive, and this F here, F is in this direction, so it is positive, and using sign we have taken here this one. So we will solve it. So after solving we will get here by cross multiplication we will get minus U into V minus F here equal to V into F here, and by eliminating this bracket you will get here dividing by U V F on both sides, you will get here by on solving the equation will be proved. This equation is valid for concave lens also. For both the lenses these are applicable. While solving the numericals you have to use sign convention. While solving the numericals you have to use sign convention again, and do not use sign for the quantity whose value is to be determined. If you are asked to determine focal length, U and V are given, so do not use the sign of focal length for any lens. If you are asked to calculate image distance of image, or where is the image formed, then do not use the sign in this, and you have to use sign for F and U. Thank you.